Welcome to Lesson 9, Division with Remainders. So in this lesson we are going to begin doing division. Let's do a quick review of multiplication first, since multiplication and division, as you know, are connected. So here is an array of cookies. Cookies. Oh, excuse me. What multiplication sentence does this array of cookies show us? Pause the video and see if you could figure it out. So first of all, we have 4 rows of cookies that go horizontally across, and in each row we have 6 cookies. So 4 times 6, if we count up all the cookies together, equals to 24. So this array shows the multiplication sentence 4 times 6 equals 24. So 24 cookies is the total amount shown in this array. So division being the opposite of multiplication, all we have to do is go backwards. So we ask ourselves, okay, we have 24 cookies altogether. How many rows are they in? We see that they are in 4 rows, so they are divided into 4 groups, or 4 rows. And then the answer tells us how many we have in each one of those groups. So if we count, we see that in each group there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies. So when we divide 24 by 4, we get 6. Let's look at another example. Cookie Monster came along and ate 3 of our cookies, so we only have 21 cookies left. Let's see how many rows these cookies are in. We see that our cookies are still divided into 4 rows. But this time, each row only has 5 cookies left. And our main array here, we see that there are 5 cookies in 4 rows. But we can't forget about this one little lonely cookie that's left over. We call that a remainder. So for the remainder, we put an R and 1 because there's 1 left over. So 21 divided by 4 is equal to 5 with a remainder of 1. Let's look at another division question, but this time we're not going to use an array to help us. So let's look at 17 divided by 5. Let's think about multiplication. 5 times something is going to give us an answer close to 17. We know 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, and 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 times 3 will get us the answer that's closest to 17. So 17 divided by 5 will equal to 3, but there's a remainder. Pause the video for a second and see what the remainder is. Because 5 times 3 is 15, we need to add 2 more to get to 17, right? So 2 is what is left over because 5 times 3 is 15, and we need 2 more to get up to 17. So the remainder in this example is 2. So another way to do this question, 17 divided by 5, is to take 17 dots, as we have on the screen here, and divide them into groups of 5. So here's one group of 5, here's another group of 5, here is a third group of 5. So we've got 3 groups, and we see that there's 2 dots left over. So this shows that 17 divided by 5 gives us 3 groups with 2 left over. So just another strategy that you can use for division. So now you're going to try a couple of questions on your own. You can use an array to help you if you'd like, or you don't have to. It's up to you. So first, let's try 14 divided by 4, and next we're going to try 30 divided by 9. So if you choose to use an array, in the first question you're going to draw 14 apples or cookies or whatever you want and try to divide them into 4 equal groups. And in the second one you're going to draw 30 of them and try to divide them into 9 equal groups. There will be remainders left over. Once you have your answers, check with your teacher to see if you did it right.